When the Magic Mouse finally makes you go insane, look to Microsoft for a little help. Hey, what's up? So I have two problems here I want to try to solve. My Magic Mouse is driving me insane. I have a 2017 iMac behind me right here. I have a 2011 downstairs, and these things drive me insane. I'm trying to do video editing. I'm trying to, basically cut the timeline. It seems like it misses it, maybe 30–20% of the time where I have to double click. So before, a typical day went like this. I'm sitting here trying to edit some video. This Magic Mouse is not working right, getting frustrated, about to throw it across the room. Looking at it, nothing's changing. Pull out the Microsoft Bluetooth mouse, no dongle connection, nothing like that. Works perfect. Happy again. I have this set for right clicking. A lot of people do that as well. Doesn't always register. I don't know what's wrong with it. I don't know if it's just this one or not, but the one downstairs, which is a Magic Mouse #1, is the same thing. I just can't deal with this anymore. So I'm going to get rid of this thing, and I want to try to find a good solution. So number one is, what can be a good cheap solution for this? That's my first issue. Second issue is my computer's got, since I do all this testing, I got 25 different cables back there. I don't want to take up another port with a wireless mouse. So this is where these unlikely bed partners come in. This is what I found. It's actually the Microsoft Bluetooth mouse, and I'll put whatever it is down here so you guys can see the model number and things. So this mouse actually is about $19.95 on sale, and it's full Bluetooth, so that means it's not going to take up a port. You can set it up. Apple found it within 2 seconds on my computer. Basically, it comes with a you have to have, it's not chargeable, you have to put batteries in it, but in a long story short, within 2 seconds I had this working. It's got a right click, a double click, it's got a wheel in the middle. Very, very simple mouse. By Microsoft, believe it or not. It's called the Microsoft Bluetooth mouse. That's basically what they call it. Comes in a couple different colors as well. I'll show those to you here in a second. But long story short, this really solved my problem. Now when I edit videos, I do everything, everything works. I can scroll through web pages really quickly. I'll show you a little bit about the mouse. This is going to be super quick. Just want to show people what's out there for the cost, and this will work. If you see it in the store and you see Microsoft, don't be afraid, it'll work with your Mac. A lot of people don't know that, but it is true. Obviously, it's just Bluetooth. So go ahead and pick this one up and give it a shot. It's very simple. I'm going to show you just a little bit about it here in a second, and we'll go on from there. So here's a few close-ups of the mouse, and one thing I know for sure is I need to get a duster because someone to clean my house here. Anyways, here's the front of the mouse. It's very, very simple. Almost, it's one of the most simple mouses you can buy. It's got a very simple scroll wheel in the very front of it, and the side profile is pretty low. It's a pretty light mouse also. It's got a just one AA battery in it. You can see here's the battery compartment, and nothing really much to it. Basically it just works every single time you want it to, so I highly recommend it for a cheap replacement to the Magic Mouse. Alright, like I said before, it comes with black, which is the one I have right here, and it comes with some other colors that are kind of different types of colors. It comes with kind of like a really light blue, baby blue maybe, and then like a teal or a green it comes with right here, and then finally it does come with like a reddish pink color as well. And here it is at Best Buy. It's $19.99, so not a bad price. And again, the model is RJN-0001. All right, so for all it's worth, here it is on Amazon. Again, it's $19.99, and it's got the 4 colors. So it's basically a very, very, very simple mouse, and I'll give you the size here in a second. So it doesn't really have a lot of specs. It does say that it connects to your Windows 10 laptop, but it can also do, like I said, Mac. That's what this video is for. But it's Bluetooth 5.0 LE. That's what it's saying, Bluetooth 5.0 LE. And if you look down here, here's the different colors again. The black is kind of like a matte black, and the other ones are all shiny, if you like the shiny color better. Does take the battery here. It does, again, it says Windows 10, but it works on your Mac just fine. And the dimensions of it down here is going to be, it's 3.84 ounces, so it's not really a really heavy one. It's got the battery in there, obviously, but it's not too heavy. And then the dimensions are 2.3 by 1.5 by 4.1 inches. And it does have one AA battery that's required. So anyways, that's all the specs you really get on this. It's a very simple name. They just call it the Microsoft Bluetooth Mouse Black. And again, there's the different colors, but that's about it. At the end of the day, this is pretty flashy. But when you want to get real work done, use the Microsoft mouse. Alrighty, so thanks for watching. So that's all for this video. Again, simple problem. This thing's driving me insane. I don't want to use a port. This is the mouse for you. And that's about it. It's a very simple video. Just the one thing I wanted to get across is Microsoft, don't be scared away when you see this when you're using macOS or an Apple product. They are compatible in a lot of cases, and you can usually get these for way cheaper than you can get something like this from Apple because of that Apple tax. And at the end of the day, it works better for me. It may for you as well, so give it a shot. Anyways, I make videos every week, and maybe 2 to 3 a week. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the like button. Even if you don't like this, just don't watch, but you don't have to give me the dislike. A lot of people like to hit the dislike button. I'm just doing this for a hobby, so just try to help people out. And I'll see you guys in a week or two. Take care.